you want to make letter poster design by Canva, this course is for you. It's very easy to prepare this type of design, and I will share the tips and tricks. Select element and type deer. Fit the picture with the Canva size. Select again elements and type D. Select the D frame. Place the D frame in suitable portion of the deer. Duplicate the entire design. Fit the duplicate page to the D frame. Double-click on the D frame and fit the design to the original picture. Now duplicate only the D frame. Select the position and set it to the backward layer. Adjust the brightness of the backward D frame to 0. Select the front D frame and select the border size approximate 6 and select the border color white. Make the 2D frame visible by moving slightly one another. Select the position and set the entire picture to front layer. Remove the picture background. Crop the picture from left and adjust the size as your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my upcoming video.